Mrs. Stanhope, this is your son.
Yes.
According to your complaint, your son and the Sayers' son were friends. Your son was visiting the Sayers' home and at some point asked Mrs. Sayers if he could use her computer and her pen pal account to purchase something that he wanted, and he would give her the cash. Now, I don't understand all this stuff about buying things with pen pal and computers, because what?
PayPal.
Pen pal, PayPal.
PayPal.
I don't understand that, all this stuff. You know, I go into a store and purchase something, and I see it, and I give them cash, and then they give me what I purchased. But I know a lot of people do that PayPal stuff. Anyway, you said it was okay, and you purchased something. What did you purchase?
A power level for a video game.
And how much was it?
$49.95, somewhere around there.
And you got the money, and you gave it to Miss Sayers.
Yes.
But at the same time, you purchased something else, or attempted to purchase something else, that you didn't give her money for. That was $400. And according to you, as soon as you logged in on it, you had second thoughts, so you canceled the transaction. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what he did. He says he canceled it.
This was a different purchase altogether that we discovered later for $19.95.
No, I don't understand. How many purchases were made altogether?
Well, 3 total. The one we gave him permission for.
Yes, and the one he paid you for.
That he paid us for.
Right.
On my debit card.
Yes.
And 2 on my husband's debit card.
Totaling what?
One for $19.95 and one for $399.99.
When did you find out about it?
We went on a camping trip 2 days after the initial $19.95.
When was that?
He made that on August 28th. We left 2 days later.
Did you know about it on August 28th?
No, we did not.
Go ahead.
This put my husband's account into overdraft.
When was the $400 purchase made?
A week later on...
Is that right, sir?
On September 4th.
So you used that account fraudulently twice?
I don't know where the $19.99 came from.
You never bought anything for $19.99?
I don't remember purchasing.
Well, that doesn't mean it didn't happen. Okay, go ahead.
When we came back from our camping trip, the boys were together that day that he made the $3.99 purchase. And
what's your name?
Eloy.
Stand up. Did you know anything about this $399 purchase?
No, I did not know until he came to us and told us about it.
And when did he do that?
Well, we discovered it, and my mom talked to his mom, and then he came over later that night, apologized.
Sit down. So you didn't fess up to this until she called your mother, is that right?
After she came over and my mom talked to me about it.
When had you canceled that purchase for $399?
Almost 2 minutes after I purchased it.
Was it canceled the same day?
Yes, it was.
And he told you that?
Yes.
Did you confirm that with PayPal?
Yes, I did.
On what date?
The day that I found out that when all of this had happened. The purchase was made on a Monday, and I found out about it that Thursday.
So 3 days?
Correct.
But he had canceled the amount, so it wasn't charged to you.
Correct.
So this lawsuit says that Ms. Stanhope gave you $400.
Correct.
She wants that money back because you're not out $400. And your defense is, well, you're entitled to that $400 for your inconvenience.
We are out $400 on overdraft fees from the initial $19.95 purchase he made that first day.
Just a second. You had $400 in overdraft fees? Show me.
There were $33 overdraft fees, 2 returned check fees.
Well, how much was it altogether?
It all totaled up to $564.
Show me. There was a credit card purchase for Steam games?
That was the $19.95 purchase.
What did you purchase for $19.95, sir?
I don't know where that purchase came from. I don't remember ever purchasing something that was $19.95.
How do you know he purchased something for $19.95?
Because we do not have a PayPal account on that credit card. We only have it on my debit card. He set up a PayPal account on that credit card.
Did Eloy purchase something for $19.95?
We don't have a PayPal account on that credit card.
And you do?
Has it under Raymond Duffield.
And you do?
I did, but I don't have the account anymore.
And you did? Okay. I have to give him back $400 because I don't think that you're supposed to profit from something like this. I think that you were supposed to be punished. Were you punished? How?
Pretty much everything taken away from me for about 2 months.
Yeah, because that's, you know, I mean, you canceled the charge, but it was stealing.
Yeah.
For that couple of minutes before you came to your senses, it was stealing. And you tend to put all their accounts into some jeopardy. You could have, at least. Because
Yeah.
if banks can charge $33, they certainly can throw somebody's credit into all kinds of havoc just because you act stupid.
Yeah.
You can't do that. But also, your mother can't be out $400 when it didn't cost them $400. Judgment for the plaintiff, that's all.
Parties are excused. You may step out.
Ms. Stanhope didn't want to discuss it with me in a rational manner.
Well, I tried talking to Mrs. Sayas twice on the phone, and she refused to return my phone calls.
She didn't believe that Raymond, her son, did this to us in the first place.
I've asked for overdraft fees that I could pay for that this may have caused, and she's refused to show me proof of that.
I couldn't deal with it.
I just hope that they, like, in the long run, they'll forgive me.
I'm still friends with them.
We can start doing camping trips together again and hanging out.